Alright guys, I am 3D printing some Xbox controller covers. They're not all the same. If you have a USB-C on yours, they're going to be different. They'll be in the center. I was always wondering why we had these ones that didn't work. Let's see if this thing's failing or not. But be really careful. These don't always like to print. This one here let loose after it was getting pretty far. I did successfully get one like this printed. I don't have it out here, but trust me, it looks just like that. And anyway, that fits on the other type of controllers with the micro USBs. These are spaced differently. The tabs are out further on the other ones, so you won't be able to put them on there. I bought a battery kit some years ago, and it was for one of these basically, but I didn't know it. And these ones are a little bit different. But yeah, I don't know if these come with what they come with, but there's a model number on it. 1914. I don't know what the other one says. Hold on. So this is the other kind. You see there's like no texturing on it. And if you look here, you see they're all the way out to here. Okay, what's the model number? 1708. They're not even the same. So you got 1708, and then you got 1914. Now I know exactly what they were talking about 1914 on whatchamacallit. So anyway, they're not the same. So most of the ones on Thingiverse are for this one. Maybe I'll remix one of them. So we're going to try a couple different ones, but I just need one for this one, and I needed one for this one. It wouldn't hurt to make another one. We had another controller that the kids broke. So anyway, is it like an HDMI right there? I wonder. Anyway, this is the original Xbox one, but I'd be hard pressed to design one of these things myself. But anyway, we're printing one, and I've already printed one for the other one, so and it fit perfectly fine. So the first time it didn't come out correctly. I just need one for this one. So there you go, guys.